Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to hide or unhide Reddit post. If you don't want to watch any post or if you find some post offending, you can hide it, and if you find useful later on, you can even unhide that post. So I'm going to teach you how to do that both. So at first you must open up Reddit, and after you are there, to hide a post, if you find some post offensive or if you just don't like it, you just need to search for the post that you don't like, and in that post you can see the three dot icon right here, and you just click on that, and at the second you can see the hide post button. So after just clicking that, your post will be hidden and you will no longer see them until you choose to. So you can see the post is hidden now, and how to unhide it. If you want to watch it again, or if you want some proofs that the post was offensive, you can just simply go to your profile at the top right corner, and at this page you must click on history right here at the bottom. So at there will be all the history of the things that you have seen and posted, and what you're going to do is here you can see this recent button. You just need to click on that, and now click on the hidden at the bottom. This will display all the posts that you have hidden later or the earlier. So you guys can see I just hid this post, it's right here, and these are the posts I hid earlier. So to unhide those posts, you must click on the three dot icon again at the side of the post right here, and at the second you'll see unhide post again. So after you click that, your post will be unhidden again. You guys can see here it's written post unhidden, which means that the post you just click has been unhidden, and you can see that again. So I believe I've taught you guys how to hide or unhide Reddit post. And if you guys found this video helpful, or if it was very interesting to you or learned something, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.